So I just had my 2015 Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited taken to the Jeep dealer to have the rear main seal replaced. And on the way home, the first thing I noticed is I got an engine light. I looked up the code and saw it had to do with the exhaust. I looked under the Jeep and saw that the transmission inspection plugs were missing. Also, there was an inspection cover that had a loose bolt, and there was a transmission cross member that had a bolt that was not completely tight. I also noticed that on the way home there was a funny smell, and under further inspection I saw that there was antifreeze all over the front axle and appears to be leaking from the top of the radiator. The next day I found that the leak appeared to be coming from the radiator cap. Now I should also mention that it took them over a month to give me back this Jeep. So my question is, what would you do if you took your Jeep to a dealer to have the rear main seal and this is the condition that you got it back in? Clearly the person working on it either was in a rush or was not taking pride in their work. So I did call up the Jeep dealer immediately and spoke to the order writer. We arranged to have the Jeep dropped off and they did correct all of the issues. Now I did call up and ask to speak to a manager and left messages through text and email, but no one would call me back. Let me know what you would do in the comments. All I can say is I'm never using that Jeep dealer again.